Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. Follow these 3 steps, all worries would be gone. Number 1, identify the problem. I have cancer, I lost my job, I am having problems at home, whatever that problem is. Second, which is the most important thing, Ya Rab, I trust you to solve this problem. Ya Allah, I am putting my complete trust in you to solve this issue. And you are saying it with yaqeen, knowing that whatever that thing is, can Allah do it or not? 100% He can cure, He can get a job, He can pay debt, He can fix problems, He can guide your son, guide your daughter, fix your husband. He can do anything. Entrust Allah. Ya Allah, I have no speck of doubt that you will solve that problem. And number 3, take by means. I have financial problem. Ya Allah, help me get a job. And I apply, I get decrease. Ya Allah, I am very sick and you are the Shafi. I ask him to cure me and then I go to the doctor, I take the medicine, I take by the means. But the most important thing, the second part, and this goes back to our question. How strong is your tawakkul? If you did these 3 parts and you are still so worried all the times, that means that tawakkul is weak. Entrusting my affair with the only one that can solve it by saying be and it will be. And still I am shocking and I am worried. Sleepless nights. What is the problem? The tawakkul is weak. How do we strengthen our tawakkul? The more you know Allah, the stronger is your tawakkul. My brothers and sisters, everyone is going through some sort of problems, struggles, financial matters, family matters. Some may be sick or some have some different sorts of problems, business or a job. Many people have different types of problems. The only way to solve your problem is to connect you with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Do these 3 things. Identify your problem, then trust Allah, have tawakkul and make dua to Allah sincerely. And number 3 is take action. Don't just sit lazily. Don't just be lazy and don't be lethargic. Don't be wasting your time. Take action. Whatever you can do, try to do it and ask Allah to give barakah in your work. When you do your part, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does the rest. If you do these 3 things, Allah will definitely solve your problem and Allah will make ease in your life.